Rascal. Hey, what is this?
Chik Shampoo.
Can I get?
Sure.
There are two Indias. India 1 consists of 110 million people but commands the GDP of $1 trillion. On the other hand, we have India 2, 1,200 million people that too command a GDP of $1 trillion. One that goes on to Quora and asks if making 1.2 CR a year is a good package, and the other that makes 150 to 1,000 rupees each day. The reason I'm talking about this stat is because these days there is a lot of buzz on Twitter and other social media about how targeting the cream of the crop of India, the 1% of India, the rich India, is the only way for you to make money in India as a business. But I'm here to tell you about a story of a little entrepreneur from Tamil Nadu that targeted this underserved India, created a good product, not only revolutionized the FMCG industry in India, but also forced the Western FMCG market to reconsider their strategy. And he did all of this while building a 1,000 crore company. My name is Papa Okus, and I'm talking about Chik Shampoo, the first company to sell shampoo in sachet. Currently, more than 70% of sales of all shampoo happen in form of sachets. But this was not true 40 years ago, when the majority of these FMCG products were distributed in bulky packages, bottles, which made it accessible only for the elite and wealthy. This is when Chunni Krishnan, an agriculturist who ran a small pharmaceutical business in Cuddalore, Tamil Nadu, went on an inventive streak that led him to give talcum powder and Epsom salt to consumers in sachet form. And the only reason he did this was because he saw many laborers around him who got paid in daily wages, which was anywhere from 150 rupees to 1,000 bucks, which rendered them unable to buy something as basic as shampoo or powder or salt because a single packet would cost up to 100 bucks. So they either could buy salt, which cost them 100 rupees, and sleep hungry because they would have no money left for food, or eat food without salt. So Mr. Chunni Krishnan took it upon himself to make these necessities available to poor people. His ideology behind this was based upon what a rich man can enjoy, a common man should be able to afford. Shampoo is a commodity which every single individual should be able to access, especially with ever-growing hair issues, hair fall that Indians face.
Doctor sir, my hair fall just doesn't stop, doctor.
Oi, Nimmo, what kind of products are you using, man? I get it now. You must have not even heard of what dermatologically tested products mean. Arre yeda, I mean something like this. Wow Skin Science ka red onion black seed oil hair care range. That onion oil is made by using cold press. It has all the nutritional value that you can dream of.
Sir, what is this cold press?
So this onion oil contains sulfur. It helps reduce hair fall and grow new hair. But if you cold press this onion oil, it retains all of its nutritional value, making Wow Skin Science ka onion oil the most effective and potent solution for hair fall.
Doctor, I thought chemical makes hair fall more.
Hey Magne, it does not contain any harsh chemicals like silicones and parabens. In fact, this will make your hair all that silky and smooth that you dream of in Hollywood, huh?
Wow!
Now go be natural with Wow and let me do my work. But you also get this free seed pouch every time you buy from Wow Skin Science. This way you can help Wow in their Green Hand initiative, which plans to plant 1 crore trees by the end of 2022. Now back to Chik Shampoo. For Chunni Krishnan, the transition from salt and talc to sachet-style shampoo was natural. But due to lack of good marketing and his passing away in 1982, the business was overtaken by his sons, who started a regional company called Velvet Shampoo, which sold its product in small parts of Tamil Nadu. But in 1983, the youngest brother, C.K. Ranganathan, made his decision to leave other brothers and launch his own cosmetic company with savings of 15,000 rupees. In a small shed, he began producing sachet by hiring 2 chemistry grads to work on the formulation. He gave the shampoo the name Chik, named after his father, and set the price at 75 paise, making it accessible to even the poorest of poor who had till then not even dreamt of using shampoo for their hair. with rural market in South India being Chik's main market, he sold up to 20,000 sachets within just the first month of his business. As Chik started to make money and acquire significant traction just in its second year of business, the company moved its headquarters to Chennai in 1989 and changed its name to Beauty Cosmetics Private Limited after being well known in rural marketplaces of Tamil Nadu. Even though seeing the growth Chik Shampoo experienced, Hindustan Unilever Limited and Godrej tried to compete in this category. Unfortunately for them, Chik was miles ahead of them in the sachet segment. Unlike his dad's sachet business, which was slow to grow due to poor marketing, CK made sure that he utilized variety of marketing and sales strategies that assisted making Chik a household name in Tamil Nadu. One of the most intriguing marketing strategies that CK applied was how he brought customers' attention to Chik Shampoo, especially the ones who had never used shampoo in all their life. You see, CK understood that the only way to gain rural India's attention was through something that they loved the most, which were movies of beloved actors like Rajinikanth. So like a true entrepreneur, he started running free Rajinikanth movies who not only had high reputation and trust, but also had god-like celebrity status in villages of southern India. And in between these movies, they showed advertisement and live demonstration of using Chik Shampoo. So much so that the audience was invited to touch and smell the freshly shampooed hair of the volunteers. They also gave the audience free sachets to try, which helped Chik build a really strong brand awareness, thus becoming a household name in South India.
Talaiva, 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 talaiva.
Hey, what is going on there?
However, with the entry of larger FMCG players in around 1988, Chik implemented an innovative scheme in which customers could return up to 5 used sachets of any shampoo to a retailer and receive a free Chik Shampoo. The scheme was later modified and they began giving away free shampoo in exchange for sachets of only Chik Shampoo. Now, the customers who were price conscious began purchasing only Chik Shampoo, with sales nearly doubling to 10 lakh sachets each month in just 1 year. This program did wonders for the business. The reason Chik Shampoo was racing far ahead of its competitors was because of its keen understanding of the local region. For example, Chik Shampoo was one of the first brands to introduce variants with floral fragrances, rose and jasmine, because CK realized that the South Indian women love to decorate their hair with gajra, especially the gajra that was made out of rose and jasmine flowers. This move again worked very well for Chik, that in 1991 they tripled their sales up to 30 lakh sachets per month and became the #1 shampoo brand in South India. You see, it doesn't stop here. Chik figured out that most of the companies were selling their shampoos at 1 or 2 rupees, but customers were somehow still wary of buying these. So Chik decided that they're gonna cut their margins further and sell their shampoo at just 50 paise. But CK was daring and bold, which made this shampoo a blockbuster. By 2003, Chik had achieved 22% of the market share, making it second largest national shampoo brand in India, just behind Hindustan Unilever's Clinic Plus, with revenue up to 200 crores INR. You see, the reason I wanted to tell you about the story of Chik Shampoo was because everybody nowadays is trying to aim for the top. There's too much competition over there. I believe that if you have an idea and the guts to make that vision into a reality, nobody can stop you. Now, if you did enjoy this video, we have created 2 more similar videos, one on Haldiram, other on MDH. Both of these founders have come from absolutely nothing and went on to build a 10,000 crore business. If you're interested on how they did this, click on any of these buttons.
Don't forget about WOW. Link is in the description.